I'm showing you this to show you that it's possible, guys. We acquired it for 200,000K. We ended up putting about 70,000 into it, and we ended up listing it for 349,000, and we got an above asking price offer. Hey guys, it's me, Rob Nichols here, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur, and today I'm at the cookie cutter, guys, and we just got it under contract for more than asking price in less than a week. And I want to showcase what we did here to make this house stand out from the rest so that you can apply it to your business as you're looking to grow and transform your business to transform your life. 4 key components to transforming the outside. We patched and painted the wood siding, put on new exterior doors on the front and rear, didn't need a new roof because it was in great shape, landscaped the property, and change the windows. Let's check out the interior. The kitchen was totally transformed with white raised panel cabinetry, quartz countertops, a black tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, new recessed lighting, and a laundry cabinet, as there's no basement in Campanelli, so we had to stick the laundry cabinet in the kitchen, guys, which is very common in this particular neighborhood. We also added a built-in cabinet in the kitchen, added brushed nickel hardware, and changed the floors to a laminate wood Nighthawk style. We installed the same flooring throughout the entire property other than the bathroom, where we installed a wood grain tile, and we made sure we put in high efficiency LED recessed lighting throughout the entire property. As you can see from the before and after photos, the bathroom needed a lot of love, and that's just what we gave it. We upgraded the flooring to a wood grain tile. We put in a quartz countertop with a new vanity. We also included LED lighting, subway tile shower surround, as well as a built-in shelf with a marble finish. So to recap, guys, we found this deal using cold calling. It was on the probate list, called the seller. He said he wanted to sell. Followed up a few months later. He was like, you know what? This is a good time. Let's talk. We met with them. I put it on the contract the first day meeting with them face to face. I gave him a check for $1,000, tied it down. And now if you're a wholesaler, that's when you go and shop your contract. For me, I'm a fix and flipper. So we got our financing in order. We use hard money to acquire. And so from there, we were able to close. We got our crew here. We transformed it from what it was once before to what it is now to really make something spectacular, guys. I'm showing you this to show you that it's possible, guys. We acquired it for 200,000K. We ended up putting about 70,000 into it, and we ended up listing it for 349,000, and we got an above asking price offer. This is something that anyone can do. It's really all about getting started and understanding how to find deals. I have plenty of free resources on my website that can help you learn the business, get started in the business with nothing at all. So definitely check it out. Thanks for tuning in. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via IG at Robert L. Nichols. DM me and I'll be happy to answer your questions, or you can connect with me on my website, robertlnichols.com, guys. And as always, stay tuned for more.